Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Forza Horizon launch not working, not responding. For example, failed to launch Forza Horizon 5X, error code 2, or something went wrong launching your game, and some error that you can encounter, especially if you're running a pirate games. I'm sorry, please buy the original game of the Forza Horizon especially. So the first thing to do, if you get error, you can try to install the DirectX end user runtime web installer and also Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported download. So the first one, DirectX end user runtime web installer, you can access from microsoft.com. You can use this keyword on your Chrome and simply click download. It's only about 288.4 kilobyte because of this is the web installer. So this web installer contains a number of runtime libraries from the legacy DirectX SDK for some games that use DirectX 9, DirectX 10, DirectX 11, and also Xaudio 2.7, Xinput 1.3, and so on. And note, this package does not modify the DirectX runtime installed on your Windows operating system in any way. So please download this and install on your system. Next, Microsoft Visual C++. Of course, you can download it from official website of Microsoft or learn.microsoft.com. You can get the latest version of this Visual C++. So you can download this this three file. This is permalink for latest supported ARM64 version, supported X18 version, and this is the X64 version. So here you can download. This is the latest version, 14.42.34433.0. So after you download and install Microsoft Visual C, DirectX and user runtime web installer, you can restart your PC, then relaunch the game. And also don't forget to keep update your Windows. You have to check for the updates manually and keep your Windows up to date. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So thanks button below. See you.